The wind howled through the forest, making the trees shake and leaves swirl. Thunder rumbled in the distance, and the sky turned a dark, worried gray. High in a wobbly nest, Mama Bird huddled over her tiny chirping babies. The nest tilted precariously as twigs snapped loose around them. Suddenly, with a loud crack, a big branch fell nearby. Part of Mama Bird Robin's nest collapsed, and the baby birds squeaked in alarm. From Tobin's cozy tree hollow, Tobin looks out from a dry hole in his tree and sees the nest swaying. He saw the struggling nest and knew he had to help. He scurried around his home, gathering soft moss, sturdy twigs, and fresh leaves from his stash. With determined eyes and a warm heart, he couldn't sit still while others were scared and hurting. Amidst the rain-soaked tree bark, branches swaying, Tobin climbs carefully, carrying materials in his mouth and arms. Lightning flashed in the background, but he kept going until he reached the branch below the nest. Lightning flashes in the background. He reaches the branch beneath the nest and calls out, "Tobin, gently, Mama Robin. I brought help." "Mama Bird Robin, I brought help," Tobin gently called out. Mama Bird Robin looked at him, surprised but hopeful. Side by side, Tobin and Mama Bird Robin worked. Tobin waved the moss and twigs into the sagging parts of the nest, making it strong again. The sky turns orange and pink with the evening sun. The rebuilt nest is sturdier and warmer. The baby birds peek out and chirp happily. Tobin smiles from the branch. Mama Robin's eyes shine with gratitude. "Mama Robin, you didn't have to help, but you did." The forest was peaceful once more, bathed in the gentle evening sun. Tobin scurries home. Mama Robin sings softly to her babies. A single leaf floats gently through the air. Sympathy is the heart's way of saying, "I see your storm, and I'll stand beside you."